Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Oh So and So. So I thought I would bring you along on some of the things that I needed to do today. The first thing I need to do is I basically want to go to the antique store. Antiques on 231 here in Lebanon, Tennessee. Because they're having Christmas in July, and I thought this is a perfect time to go shopping for some of the Christmas items that I am needing on my list. So the one thing I really want is a Christmas tablecloth, and I'll give you a little tour in there. So, let's go with the back of it. So I'll give you a little tour. And then of course, I have to take the trash to the dump. But I also want to go to Lowe's on this side of town because I have been working on the front of the house in the beds. Weed eating, doing stuff like that. So, alright, so let me get out of here and we'll go inside and look around. So hold on. Alrighty guys, this is just one of the awesome booths here at Antiques on 231. I'm gonna look and see. If I can find a tablecloth. I wonder how much he's got on his. $125. Okay. Alrighty. I've also been looking for jadeite. That has Fire King. 28. Well, that's good. At least it's Fire King. That's the older stuff. I like these too. How much are they? 34. And I'm tempted to pick up this one. I have those watermelons. Now, guys, start looking for fall. You don't have to have pumpkins, gourds, but things like this, the orange and yellows, you can accent that other stuff. This is pretty good. This is just 12. But I'm not looking for that. But I like it. Oh, that's cute. Let me get that out. $20. Alrighty. Hold on, let me stretch it out. Well, guys, it's an oval. I think I still could use it. Let me kind of measure and play with it. I really like this booth, especially if you like primitives. I need another Santa. This booth is 15% off. This is different. Let's see how much that is. $40. Oh, that's cute. Alrighty, well, I think that's the end of my filming, except this booth is 50% off. Now, look at that. Didn't I find something like that the other day? I paid $4. Exact. Let's see. It's like another buy one, get one. But when a booth is 50% off, I always look. That's kind of cute. Sweet. A mailbox. I don't know. I'm sure I could do something with it. It's just $1. It might be cute outside. I think I'll figure out something to do. For $1, I can't go wrong. Alrighty. Okay, so I also found this. It's a runner. It's 18 something. $18.99. And this booth has it for 20% off. Well, that's not too bad. Well, we'll see what we come up with. Okay, so I decided to get the tablecloth that was, I guess it's oval, or it's not a circle, because I thought it looked more vintage. So now, did the dump. Now, we're going to go and look for things for the front of the yard. All of the boxwoods, every one of them died. And then this time, instead of covering those holes back up, I left the holes. And I'm like, why haven't I done that before? You know, because that way I could just buy the plants that I want, which I definitely want perennials. And just put them in the holes instead of digging more holes. So we're almost to Lowe's. I'm hoping they have what I'm looking for. I'd love to have some more lavender, because the lavender that I planted 2 years ago is absolutely huge. So we'll see. Alrighty, guys. This looks so good. And look, they have lavender. like it. Now, oh, they have plenty of lavender. I don't need that much. Huh. You guys ever planted that? Mosquito plant. Alrighty. I also want to see if I can find some daylilies. And some of that variegated monkey grass. So I'm going to turn the camera off and I'll show you what I got when I get home. Alrighty guys, this is what I got yesterday. Lavender, daylilies. I thought this was kind of cool. I've never used that before, but it's full sun and the front of the house gets full sun. So let me show you what I've been working on. That didn't make it. It was a weeping willow. You see all that? Literally, I pulled it up from all of here. Terrible. When you see the holes, that's where the boxwoods were. I definitely have a lot to work on. See, I had boxwoods here and there. Look at that weed. I can grow some weeds. Alrighty, well, I need to work. I need to do something else to my front door. I don't know, sometimes I forget. Alrighty. I just basically just threw on my clothes from yesterday because I figure I'm going to get so hot. I'm going to have to change and clean anyway. So I definitely have a lot of work. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Maybe I'll show you the finished results on another video. Alrighty guys, have a good one. Bye.